Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2011 Cadillac SRX Luxury Collection all-wheel drive, stock number Z6386B. 68,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. We sold this SRX brand new, gray flannel metallic in color. The SRX is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Second row seats recline as well as fold flat for additional cargo space. Backup camera along with front and rear parking sensors for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear with removable privacy cover, as well as additional underfloor storage. And very clean, as you can see. This luxury collection has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power liftgate control with adjustable height, power seat along with memory settings for 2 drivers, along with power adjustable pedals, oversized panoramic moonroof, large easy to read gauges, with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, dual zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats, automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest, USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead auto dimming mirror, and that's where that backup camera display is. Homelink transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this SRX has a 3-liter V6, 265 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 75% of the tire tread left. For more information about this SRX, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.